Learn how to crochet a rose in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to my page, guys. It's crochet inspiration here. So grab any yarn of your choice and the recommended hook size, and let's get started. I'm using yeye yarn. I'm doubling my strands with a 4mm hook. You're going to start by making a slip knot, and then you're going to chain 36. This rose is very easy to make and it is a beginner friendly project. So just go ahead and chain your 36 and I will meet you when you're done. So I have my 36 chains already. I'm going to count 5 chains from the hook, and in the 6th I'm going to place a double crochet stitch there. And then I'll yarn over. I skip 2 stitches on the chain, and on the 3rd stitch I'm going to place a double crochet stitch. Then I'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that same stitch I'm going to place another double crochet stitch. So that gives us our V stitch. Now I'm going to yarn over, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch I'm going to place a double crochet stitch. Then I'll chain 3, and in that same stitch I'm going to place another double crochet stitch. So I'm just going to keep working with this pattern till I get to the end of the chain. So when you reach the end, you're going to chain 3, and then you turn your work, and into the first V stitch you're going to place 10 double crochet stitches. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so you're going to add 9 more to make 10 altogether. When you're done, we are 10 stitches. In the space between the 2 V stitches, you're going to place a single crochet stitch, and then the next V stitch you're going to place 10 double crochet stitches. And this is the pattern we are going to be working with till we reach the end of our row. 10 double crochet stitches into every V stitch, and in the space between the 2 V stitches you just place a single crochet stitch right there. So keep working like this and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Please like this video, leave a comment, share, and give me a follow. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to keep working with this pattern till I get to the end of this row. So now we are at the end of the row, and as you can see our work is curling up, which is good because that's the effect we are looking for. So what I'm just going to do right now is to cut off my yarn, leave a little bit of yarn that you can use to sew your rows. So leave a few inches before you cut off your yarn. So you're going to chain 1, and then you pull your tail through to secure your stitches. Just give it a little pull. So now we are going to wrap our rows, starting from the first shell stitch. We are just going to roll it a little bit tight like that, and then we'll keep rolling round and round, just like that. So there you have your rose. What you just need is to sew the back part to keep all the petals intact. So I'm just going to grab my darning needle and sew the back part of the flower. So there is no specific pattern in sewing that. Just go into the stitches and hold them together so that the form of the rose will be preserved. When you are done, just tie your edges, the two edges, just like that, and then you can weave in the tail of the yarns. So there we have our rose. You can now sew it onto anything you want.